from BucketBarrow, and today we will be assembling the PRO130 wheelbarrow. Unpack your parts, place your tray upside down, preferably on an elevated workbench. Step 1. Place your front slam bracket into the front tray recess and slide it back until it sits nicely. With your smaller under tray brace, making sure that the flat part of the brace is facing up, refer to step 1 of the bolt diagram. Lower the bolt down, ensuring that the head finishes flush. Same on the second bolt. Turn the brace around, holding the bolts, and lower it down into the front tray recess. With your other under tray brace, ensuring that the flat part is facing down, lower it down into the rear tray recess. Step 2, you will need to pair your arms together. To assist, we have provided white dots on one set of arms. Match these up and slide the arms together. Place the arm down and repeat the process on the second arm. Step 3, you will be placing the arms onto the tray. To assist, we have applied a white dot to one arm, which refers to a white dot on this side of the tray. This is to ensure that the logo will be facing outwards. When lowering the arm down into the tray recess, guide the front bolt through the arm and lower the arm into the tray. Refer to step 3 of the bolt diagram. Apply the nut finger tight, as this will assist further on in the assembly, and repeat on the other side. Step 4, you will be inserting your rear subframe bolts. Raise the arm from the rear. Raise the under tray brace up to the arm. Refer to step 4 on the bolt diagram. Insert the bolt up through the under tray brace and through the arm. Holding the bolt, lower the arm back down into the tray recess. Remove the front nut. Place it on the arm, as you'll require this when attaching your subframe. Repeat on the other side. Step 5, you will be inserting your 2 middle tray mount bolts. A useful tip is to use the Allen key provided, insert it through the hole, and wiggle it around to line them up. Refer to step 5 of the bolt diagram. Insert the bolt from the outside inwards and apply the nut finger tight, and repeat on the other side. Step 6, you will be inserting your front and rear tray mount bolts. Refer to step 6 on the bolt diagram, inserting the bolt from the outside inwards. Same with the rear bolt. And apply the nuts finger tight. And repeat on the other side. Step 7, you will be attaching your subframe to the arms. Lower the subframe over the bolts. With the nuts previously placed on the arms, apply this to the front bolt finger tight. Refer to step 7 of the bolt diagram and apply the nut to the rear bolt finger tight. Repeat on the other side. Step 8, you will be attaching your 2 front braces to the slam bracket. The front braces are slightly different. We have applied a white dot to one of them, which refers to a white dot on this side of the tray. Pair these white dots up. Refer to step 8 of the bolt diagram. Insert the bolt from the outside inwards and apply the nut finger tight. Repeat on the other side, making sure that you finish up with both braces pointing downwards. Step 9, you'll be attaching your front strap and completing the front braces. You will notice there is a white dot on one side, which refers to a white dot on this arm. Place the front strap over the arms, pairing up the dots and lining up the holes. Refer to step 9 of the bolt diagram. Raise the front brace up, inserting the bolt up through the brace, through the arm and through the strap. Apply the nut finger tight and repeat on the other side. Step 10, you will be completing your wheel assembly. Stand the wheel up on its side and insert the axle. You will notice there is a white dot on one side of the wheel. Select the axle bracket with the white dot and pair these up. Put the other axle bracket on to complete the wheel assembly. Step 11, you'll be attaching the wheel assembly to the frame. You'll notice there is a white dot on one side of the frame, When lowering the wheel down, keep the white dots on the wheel to the same side. This will ensure that the tread pattern is in the correct direction. Refer to step 11 of the bolt diagram. Insert the bolt up through the arm, through the strap and through the axle bracket. Apply the nut finger tight. When inserting the second bolt, you may need to square up the wheel. Insert the bolt and apply the nut finger tight, and I will complete the other side. To complete step 11, you will need to line up the axle bracket with the holes in the frame. Insert the bolt up through the arm, through the strap and through the axle bracket. Apply the nut finger tight. Insert the second bolt. Apply the nut finger tight to complete the wheel assembly. Step 12, your wheelbarrow is now assembled and it is time to tighten the nuts. Refer to step 12 of your bolt diagram. We have provided you with a double-sided tool and a hex key suitable for tightening the wheelbarrow. We recommend when tightening the wheelbarrow you start from the front and you work your way to the back, ensuring there is no gap between the steel when the nut is tight. When tightening your 6 tray mounts, they will stop at the correct tension. Thank you for purchasing your BucketBarrow, and if you require any further information, please visit our website, bucketbarrow.com.